Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to specific folders in Outlook. This is incredibly useful for keeping your inbox organized and ensuring important messages from certain senders or with specific subjects are automatically sorted into the right place. Let's start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. You'll need to wait for all your emails to load completely before we can set up any automation rules. This ensures Outlook has all the necessary information to create filters based on your existing messages. Once your emails have fully loaded, we'll head over to the Inbox pane. Here's where you need to select a sample email that matches the criteria you want to automate. For example, if you want all emails from a particular sender to move automatically, choose one of their emails. If it's based on subject lines, pick an email with that subject. For this tutorial, we'll work with emails from Microsoft 365 that we want to automatically move to an archive folder. After selecting your sample email, look at the top part of your screen under the Home tab. You'll see a button labeled Rules. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, click on Create Rule. This opens up the automation setup where you can define exactly how Outlook should handle these emails. A Create Rule window will now appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several checkboxes that let you specify conditions such as the sender's email address, whether the subject contains certain words, or if the email was sent to a specific address. These conditions tell Outlook which emails to filter and where to send them. For our example, we want to move any email from Microsoft 365 to an archive folder. So click on the checkbox next to From Microsoft 365 as your condition. This tells Outlook to look for any incoming email from that sender. Now scroll down to the bottom part of this window and you'll see another set of options for what action to take. Click on the checkbox that says Move the item to folder. This is crucial because it tells Outlook not just to identify these emails, but to actually move them somewhere specific. As soon as you check that box, an email directory folder window will appear. This shows you all your available folders in Outlook. Simply navigate through and select the destination folder where you want these emails to automatically go. In our case, we're selecting the archive folder. Once you've clicked on your chosen folder, click OK to confirm your selection. Finally, click OK again on the main Create Rule window to save and activate your new rule. From this moment forward, any email that comes in from Microsoft 365 will automatically bypass your inbox and go straight to your archive folder without you having to lift a finger. And that's it. You've successfully set up an automatic email sorting rule in Outlook that will keep your inbox clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.